Hi y'all! Today on COC, I'm going to show you the toolkit we carry in our RV, just in case of an emergency along the road. So now I'm going to show you a few of the hand tools we take with us. First of all, we have two socket sets. We have a small one. As you can, don't do that. And it comes with these specialty bits in it. And as you can see, it even has a little ratchet in there. We also have a big set of sockets. Next I have a straight blade and a Phillips screwdriver, because you never know which one you might need. Next I have vice grips. Yes, mini vice grip. I have some channel locks, a crescent wrench. You can tighten or loosen like so. Just put it wherever you need it. I have picks. Don't ask me what these are for. I really don't know. I have a utility knife. I have a strap wrench. I have needle nose pliers for some of those tight, hard to reach areas. I have some pliers here, which you can also just use to tighten or loosen. I have a hammer in case you need to hammer it to get it going again. And I have two sets of wrenches here. One is SAE and one is metric. That's why we have two sets. And here's the big set. I mean, really, what do you need with the 24mm wrench? So this is what we keep in case of a water emergency. We keep different PEX fittings, a couple different barb fittings. We have some Teflon tape, some silicone for those minor little holes, flex tape, which is one of my favorites. But remember, this is hard to get back off. We have some hose clamps and an O-ring. Now I found out what that pick was for. So now on to personal safety. We have some ponchos here. And we have a little first aid kit just in case. And we usually have triangles and flares, but I can't find them. On to the electrical. We have fuses here, several different sizes just in case one burns out. We have light bulbs that go for your brake lights on your RV, because you don't want that ticket, do you? We have a multimeter, which checks some of your electrical if you're having electrical problems. And we have this little, it's a magnetic light. It's LED, as you can see, it's pretty bright. And that could be for if you have to work on your rig in the dark. So now, on to tires. Yes, we have wheel bearings. They're packed and greased and ready to go. Next, we have a 1/2-inch impact to get those lug nuts off your tires. And we have a tire ramp, which you can just drive your tire up on and safely change it. Now on to the body section. If you have anything on the outside of your rig that starts coming off, like your awning or your fender, you can use cable ties to tie it up, or you can use screws. And if you use screws, make sure you take your drill with you. So that's what we carry in our emergency kit. What do you carry in yours? Until next time, bye!